In the story, the Invisible Man promotes a different approach to politics. He, unlike everyone else, believes that the best way to talk with people is to speak to their emotions directly and not connect with them as a crowd. He believed that to connect with the people, one must have a good relationship with them as individuals and not just collectively place them together and call it having a relationship with the society. This was why he wasn't comfortable with the way the Brotherhood decided they were going to ignore Harlem when Ras the Exhorter was taking too much power over the city. His idea of politics was different from the Brotherhood. He even suggested that once ideology focuses on everyone, it would mistake the tree for the forest and build no meaningful connection with them. Different ideas of politics were practiced in the novel, from black nationalism, where the black wanted their independence, to a system where a community owns all the property and each person contributes and receives according to their needs, and lastly, the political system that didn't allow for change, growth, and new ideas. In conclusion, the narrator cares more for individuals, while the Brotherhood is focused on the idea of individuals. That is what caused their irreconcilable differences. See you next class.